Hey YouTube, how's it going? It is Tuesday night, although you might see this video tonight, you might see it Wednesday night. We're going to change some stuff up around here. Tonight I will be discussing work at home jobs and gigs. The difference in the two is usually if it is a steady position working from home, then I'm going to call it a job. If it's not, and if it's like 10 hours or less, or like the search evaluation things. You can work more than 10 hours there too, but I'm going to term those as gigs, and I do have one or two of those on the list for tonight's topic there. Concentrix is a job that is going to start out at about $10 an hour. They do look for some customer service experience. They do pay for training for a good bit. Sorry, there's a fly that got in here somehow. Hate those things. So if you see me shooing away a fly, sorry. Flies happen. We're in Georgia. It's summertime. I have a kid that tends to leave the door open every now and then. Don't all the kids do that? Well, most of them. Some of them. Who knows? Anywho, that's what it might be distracting me. All right, so Concentrix, $10 an hour, some customer service experience required. They do have different projects available, and they do offer paid training, so you will get paid from the time that you're on the clock training until training is done. Then they will give you a set shift to work. Is the deal with Concentrix. It is Concentrix.com, and just in case you're looking, and Concentrix is CONCENTRIX.com, and if you Google it, you may see some other stuff to come up. Like Arise actually was one that came up when I Googled it, because I didn't know a lot about it. I did have a friend that worked at Concentrix a while back. This was a couple of years ago. It was very steady work. I think what she did is they actually took phone calls for doctors' offices that they were like the answering services. So that was just one particular client that they did. That's not to mean that that's definitely what you would be doing. So if you need a job, apply. They do pay on time. They pay every 2 weeks, and it usually is a full-time position. And it's a reputable company. They have been around for a while. As always, do your homework. Make sure it's something that's going to fit for you. They do list computer requirements right on the home page. I just pulled it up. And since I have recently found one of the handy-dandy apps that you can actually watch me on the screen, I may start to do more of those and some lessons as well on different topics. I'm getting way off topic here, but like blogging, like the specific steps of starting a YouTube channel, in case anybody out there is still looking to start the YouTube channel. Not everybody on YouTube has actually started the YouTube channel. I do know that, actually, for a fact, that's usually almost always the case. There's still a few of you out there that want to know how to do that, so that is one thing I will be doing. Some of my freebies on my website, which is theunpopularmom.com. I will be rolling that out too very soon as well. I do have some handouts already on it. I've got to kind of read inside the landing page. So if you go and sign up, you may not see I'm calling it kind of like YouTube 101. You may not necessarily see that popping up. So go ahead and take a look and download some freebies. Just sign up and I'll send the freebies to you. There's other things that I'm going to be rolling out soon. Monthly topic list for YouTube. So that's an exciting one that may help you guys out a lot. And just a lot of other interesting things coming out. Don't want to give away too much. And so, but if you do sign up on my website, which I'll leave the link down below, that will give you a place where you can get your updates from. I won't spam you. I'll just start sending out newsletters, maybe once every few weeks, and then I'll be sending out my freebies, and may also include a list of work from home resources, other resources on my members only website, portion of my website at theunpopularmom.com. You can kind of go to the home page and then the About Me page. If you scroll to that About Me page, which I will leave that link since I'm referring to it down below for you guys, you can take a look there. Sorry, so many ums tonight. Of course, speaking of down below, you can go ahead and click on that subscribe button, click on the like button, please. And then if you go ahead and set the alarm. Hello, if you go ahead and click the bell, you will get alerts when I do go live. So I'll be changing up schedule times a little bit, seeing if we can get things rocking and rolling around here. And let's see, for the next work at home job, sorry, my handwriting can be horrible. Asurion, which I have worked for in the past, that is a very good one. They do start out, let's see, back then it was about $12 an hour and 40-hour work weeks, unless they've changed that. Once again, go ahead and jump on the website and check that out. Just Asurion.com. Humana is the one that I cannot read my handwriting on. Humana has work at home jobs. Go check them out as well. And of course, with things changing so much in this crazy world, jobs might be gone as soon as you go look. So go ahead and watch the rest of this video. Go and look. And if you don't have a resume, you may want to go ahead and get a resume together. That's going to be another one of the resources I'm eventually going to be rolling out, is reviewing resumes too. I've always gotten very good responses. I almost always get the job interview. And so, sorry, there's a fly getting on my nerves. So anyway, crazy flies. Anywho, oh, and just a little tidbit. Cleaner will kill them, of course, gets on their wings. They can't fly, so I'll be chasing you with some 409 fly. And then hairspray will also, if they're in your bathroom, squirt with some hairspray. Sorry, I tried to have a yawn and slip out there. It's getting late, and I was up at 6 a.m. blogging, of course. I decided 2 mornings a week I would get up and blog, just strictly blogging, nothing else on the computer for 2 straight hours before I go into work. And then the other 3 work days I will be walking out, which I've always been walking. I think I've lost about 10, 15 pounds. And sooner or later I may have some keto or low carb menu plans of coming out as well. So lots of exciting stuff going on. Because that did definitely help. I'm so sorry, I'm scatterbrained tonight, y'all. Kelly Connect. My handwriting's horrible, I'm telling you. Kelly Connect is another place that hires work from home jobs. They are a staffing company. So the staffing companies do tend to pay a little bit less because they do have to take their part for hiring you. So they do get a commission off of that. And then some gigs out there. Live Ops Arise. I will do another comparison video, including workplace. Let's see, that one is, well, just stay tuned. There's a very good one out there as well that I'm going to do like a 3 or 4 comparison video potentially next week. And then, of course, you always have DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub. Grubhub, they actually do hire, and DoorDash too. They do wind up hiring people at home that are placing the orders. Cause like when you go into the website as a customer and place it, you have somebody on the back end, because I've done it a long time ago, on the back end grabbing the orders and placing the orders for you. So they do actually hire that position. It paid decently. Of course, one of the issues was that you would always have too many people sign up for a shift. So potentially, depending upon when you were on, there may be a lot of people trying to do that as well. So, not as long of a list as I usually have for you guys. So I will leave the link above for my last 15 work-at-home jobs. And then these jobs, some of them are paying a little bit more than my normal ones do, around $12 to potentially $14 an hour. And then, of course, I will throw in that American Express does hire customer service that pays about $14 to $15 an hour. They are very, very picky there, though. I did actually apply a few times, and I made it to like the stage 3 interview or level 3 interview, whatever you want to call it. I've never heard back from after that. Apple Sales is another one, but that one's also very hard to get unless you do it through Arise. If you do it through Arise, I'm trying to think about that, it can be a bit different. I don't know if they are still hiring through Arise. And then just stay tuned for more work from home videos. Sorry guys, I'm incredibly tired tonight. Some more work from home videos coming up real soon, and I will leave some of those links down below. And then, of course, I will leave a link for my blog down below. And if you wonder why you keep seeing Susie's link down below, I know that's like the third time I've said it in a row at least. You will see her link down below because of the fact that she is a wonderful teacher that teaches about blogs, has a lot of courses available that are very, very cheap comparatively, but you learn a lot. They're not cheap courses, they're just cheaply priced because she wants you to be able to afford, because it does take money to start a blog, even the quote-unquote free ones. And I'll be discussing that in the upcoming video as well, about blogging. Blogging about blogging. Yes, we are. So you guys have a great one, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.